Hi my lovely friends and welcome back. So in today's video we are going to be making a beautiful flower, and I'm also going to be sharing with you some important tips and tricks to achieve a beautiful background. So we are going to be creating a lovely watercolor background like this. Now this is a very easy hack to just use a hairspray bottle and infuse the colors like this and let the background be as abstract and let it just come out the way you want. Just don't stress at all about like this, like you don't have to make it perfect. Just create certain kind of background and then remove everything from the center and we are good to go. So welcome festivities. All right, so I hope you're also enjoying, and today we are also going to be using all these beautiful colors, and it is just not important to use the ones I'm using. Please go ahead and use any shade of pink, oranges. Basically you just have to create depth and then at the end create some highlights to make it look little realistic and natural. And in case you want to find the traceables and learn paintings with me in detail, then you can join me on my Patreon. The link is mentioned in the description box. So let's go and see how the end result is going to be. So just relax and just enjoy painting. Let's begin. is the final look. In case you plan to recreate this painting, then you can always share with me your recreations on my Instagram. This piece is also available for sale on my art store. You can check out the link in the description box below and get 10% discount on all my originals and prints. So I'll see you very soon in my next one. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. Bye!